Stop what you're doing and imagine this: a futuristic home that costs less than a second-hand car, runs entirely on solar power, and is designed by Tesla. Sounds insane, right? But this is real, and it could change the way we live forever. Welcome to Tesla's brand new $7,975 tiny house, and trust me, you've never seen off-grid living like this before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely revolutionary. Tesla has just unveiled a tiny home that's not just affordable, but it's also smart, sustainable, and straight out of the future. If you've ever dreamed about going fully off-grid without breaking the bank, this is going to blow your mind. So, what exactly is the Tesla tiny house? Well, it's a fully functional, solar-powered home built for people who want energy independence and sustainability without sacrificing modern comfort. For just $7,975, you get a compact home designed with the same sleek aesthetics. Tesla is famous for clean lines, smart technology, and energy efficiency. And here's the kicker: this house is designed to be completely off-grid. That means no power bills, no reliance on city utilities, and zero carbon footprint. The secret behind this tiny house is Tesla's solar roof panels and Powerwall battery system. The solar panels collect energy during the day, and the Powerwall stores it so you can use electricity even at night. You can run your lights, appliances, Wi-Fi, basically everything without being connected to the grid. And because it's Tesla, you know this tech is top tier. In fact, the entire house is designed to work with Tesla's smart energy app, so you can monitor your energy use right from your phone. It's like having your own personal power plant inside a tiny home. Now, let's talk design, because Tesla didn't cut any corners. Even though it's tiny, this house packs some serious style. Inside, you've got a minimalist layout with a cozy living space, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a sleeping area, all optimized for maximum comfort and space efficiency. The interiors feature eco-friendly materials, smart lighting, and even an option to integrate Tesla's HEPA air filtration system, the same one used in Tesla cars to filter out pollutants. And guess what? The house is fully mobile, so you can literally take it anywhere: the mountains, the desert, or even the beach. So, why is this a game changer? Well, for starters, the housing market is insane right now. Prices are through the roof, rent is skyrocketing, and utility bills are eating into everyone's pockets. Tesla's tiny house offers an affordable alternative that gives you freedom, sustainability, and futuristic tech, all for less than $8,000. Imagine a world where people live in smart, off-grid homes, powered by renewable energy, and completely free from city infrastructure. That's the future Tesla is building. So, here's the big question. Would you ditch your traditional home and live in Tesla's $7,975 tiny house? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more Tesla innovations, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next big tech breakthrough. Until next time, stay charged and stay futuristic.